This is the new GM plant in San Luis Potosí, Mexico.
At the end of this one?
You could, sure.
Do you want to? I don't know. Yeah, we can put it off the side of it. Well, we can just do the next one.
I'm using a water truck to fill this AquaDam. That equals 1 truckload of water. And so there wasn't very much water in that dump truck load. A 3-foot high by 100-foot long AquaDam holds 12,000 gallons of water. While the AquaDam, the first AquaDam is filling, we have another water truck is filling the second AquaDam, and you can see the connection. The two inside tubes come up through the holes in the collar, and now we're pumping up the second AquaDam. The sides were folded in, the sides unfolding now on this side here. You see it unfolding from the sides that are folded in when we rolled it up, so it wouldn't be as long for trucking purposes. We're finally getting water using this green hose. It comes all the way from the plant, about half a mile away it looks like.
No problem.
Here we're unrolling AquaDam number 3. We made the connection. We're still waiting for AquaDam number 2 to fill up. AquaDam number 4 fill tubes. Connection collar. AquaDam number 4. Waiting for water. Water truck number 4. Well, we've run out of time. I have to go back to the another job, so we have to leave here before this one's completed. They're going to fill up this end of the pond because they're already producing cars, and they vital that they have somewhere to put their excess water. This whole pond was supposed to have been done a month ago. So the AquaDams are going to split this great big huge pond that will hold millions and millions of gallons of water. But it's not ready. They're falling behind, and that's why they're using an AquaDam, so they can utilize 1/3 of the pond and get back on schedule.